What's going on, everyone? Good Investor here. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Massive news on the crypto side, so definitely want to dedicate this video about cryptocurrencies and actually a big news that happened around Tesla, but I think that is actually dedicated toward crypto as well. It would be about Michael Burry shorting Tesla stock, but bear with me, this video is going to be a little bit challenging to understand, but I'll do my best to make sure that I take you throughout the video and make it as clear as possible. Everything would be completely my opinion, so just putting it out there. For those of you who are interested in investing on cryptocurrencies, I'll leave my link below on BlockFi, where I buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Litecoin. And that platform actually pays me for me to invest there, which is an amazing thing because I am risking my investment for putting my money there. So obviously I need to get rewarded sort of with an extra interest, which I call them dividends, but overall there would be interest flowing to your account with with Bitcoins, Ethereum, so whatever cryptocurrency that you choose. So when you sign up with that link, you'll get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin or any other digital currency that you select. They have a couple of choices there, so you can definitely move on and do that. Free money, and absolutely I want you to enjoy that as well. So without further ado, let's deep dive into the video. We can see that the crypto market has done phenomenally today. There was a massive comeback by so many other cryptos, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we can see that Cathie as well as Ethereum Classic, some of the major cryptocurrencies that we've been talking for a while right now on this channel, and they are doing a massive comeback as well, which is amazing. And I think this is a perfect moment to buy for a number of reasons. So let's go into Ethereum, for example. Right now, we can see that Ethereum is priced at around $2,800, and there was a massive downturn literally a couple of days ago, and we can see that they were priced at around $4,000, and from that to now it's just gone down by about 38-40%, which is very sad. But at the end of the day, some of the people who really understand crypto, and myself included, I do think that this is a very healthy comeback or pullback because of us having such a massive run for a while, and I think it should have been happened at some point. So I do see it as a normal thing, and although I do understand that some people might say that Chinese government is banning, that is also causing a lot of problem. But what I want to say, and I did mention in a video that I made literally yesterday, is that this is a normal thing that Chinese government usually implements, and it is a historically proven that they are doing this for a bull run on the crypto side, and I think it's a normal thing. And I'm very glad that this happened because this actually positions so many cryptos in a perfectly great price that I am actually going in investing, and I think this is a perfect moment to get in as well. So the same thing can be talked about Bitcoin as well as Cathie. A lot of people were waiting for a good price, and I think this is a great price that the market has priced it. So definitely something to look at as well. So without further ado, let's go into the topic which everyone is waiting for, Michael Burry. And for those of you who don't know who Michael Burry is an American investor, hedge fund manager, and he's very notorious for his sort of prediction and scientifically prediction, of course, when in 2007, 2008, he was one of those people who actually notified a lot of people that this very sad situation with financial crisis was coming, and not that many people were believing them. So he was behind it, and he was the one who was shorting the housing market and made a lot of money from there. So why are we mentioning this? So essentially, hedge fund managers or overall hedge funds make filings with SEC called 13F, where they disclose all their positions. And Michael Burry made one of those filings as well, and the position that actually caught a lot of eyes, a lot of attention, is his short position towards Tesla. So that is 530 million bet against Tesla. So before we go into the articles right away and talk some of the things why exactly that is happening, I think for those of you who haven't watched the movie The Big Short, definitely recommend it. It's a very great movie. It's about the financial crisis, but for those of you who are investors who are investing in the market, phenomenal movie to watch, and actually a lot of things to be taken from there. So very recommended by the good investor. So without further ado, let's deep dive into the some of the articles. So this is the article that brought by CNBC here, and we can see even the headline: Michael Burry, the Big Short, reveals a 530 million bet against Tesla. So let's talk a little bit of why I think that is happening. So first of all, Michael Burry is not disclosing why exactly they're doing it, and they don't have to do that. So he didn't comment yet from what I understand, but he did short the Tesla, and let's talk about why exactly that could happen. So essentially my opinion is, one of the things is, of course, he was on this article, actually, he was talking about his thoughts around electric cars, and he was saying that a lot of people were betting and over speculating on electric cars as well. And he also mentioned his thoughts about SAAs as well as meme stocks, and including Bitcoin. So he actually mentioned that they're all overpriced, there is a bubble going on, and people are just overreacting on buying and sort of hoping that it will become bigger in price. And to some extent he is right. So he does think that there is a speculation going on, and I don't blame him. So he could be shorting that, he could be shorting Tesla. But now you could ask why exactly this could be related to cryptocurrency. So my thought, this is completely my thought as well, is that everyone is watching Tesla, watching Elon Musk, and Elon Musk has been the biggest player out there for cryptocurrency. A lot of his tweets around Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and obviously everyone is associating cryptocurrency, trading cryptocurrency investment to Elon Musk, and sort of he's the one who is making sort of movements in the crypto market. So obviously he thinks that that is sort of a bubble going on, and Tesla themselves owning a lot of Bitcoin and Dogecoin as well, from what I understand, is something that Elon Musk himself is owning, is that they announced that they're not selling any of their Bitcoins. But essentially, as of this moment, I don't think that there's any financial instruments that investors could short the crypto market. And this is, I think, a way that Michael Burry is thinking in order to short the crypto market. So how would that work? So I think by shorting Tesla stock, he is believing that if the crypto market goes down, that means that people would lose trust on Elon Musk, which essentially would also impact the Tesla stock price as well. And when Bitcoin price goes down, where there would be a crash on the crypto side, obviously that would hurt Tesla's balance sheet, and people would also sell off Tesla as well. So I think that is a little thought behind it as well. And also on top of that, he does seem one of those people who do not believe that Tesla and Bitcoin are priced in a favorable price. So he thinks they're overpriced, and this is I think a shot he's taking in order to short not only Tesla but the entire crypto market. So I think that is something that I wanted to mention on this video. Let me know what you guys think, if that is right. It was completely my opinion. I don't know, that could be true. We will hear some of the comments later in the future when people would ask him to comment on this. But as of now, I think whether it's possible or not, I don't know. I think that is unlikely for a reason that Cathie Wood herself also was actually buying a lot more Tesla stocks recently on Tuesday, although not as much as it's being shorted. But Cathie Wood has been buying a lot more there, and also a lot more other investors finding it a great opportunity. We also saw that a lot of tech stocks have been going down recently. So right now, I think tech stocks as well as semiconductors will come back, will go up, and Tesla, being a technology company, would also follow that as well. So I think we could see a little bit of money coming back from these short investors. I don't think there would be any short squeeze given the size of Tesla right now, and 500 million is not going to become a short squeeze that it could impact the Tesla's price by a lot. But my personal thought is that Tesla's price would not go down anytime soon in the future, because that we are right now in sort of a market bottom, and things will definitely go in a positive direction soon to come. If you watch a couple of videos that I made already, and the one that I previously made, it's actually talking around technology, that things are expected to come back in June and within the next couple of months. Let me know what you guys think. Happy to read throughout the comments. I love the attention that you guys are giving. Thank you so much for everything. I'll talk to you later.